I started to get worried the very second the lady said pray for your safe return. I thought she was being theatrical, but now I understand her extra ominous tone. I have seen some depictions of gladiatorial combat alongside some of the pictorials I have been featured in. I remember one very vividly. I had a small mustache. You got first blood, I got last. As far as I can tell, the jeering crowd appear to have been spared the effects of the poison. As have I. Curious. Very curious.
Double points.
Piece by piece, monster, I will take you apart! Muchas gracias, War. Loaded gun is a happy gun. A trap of flames! I like this. It adds an element of danger to all this, danger. Yes, my Viper and Dragon. Your time will come soon.
Bonus points.
I will be needing some antiseptic now. You will be needing a new head! I suppose if Phantasma is too busy, I will buy my own ammo. Embarrassing that I must resort to purchasing ammo. Normally, Phantasma is more helpful. Especially deadlists who don't have the good sense to stay down. If your trainer is here, I'd like to have a word. Don't tell me. One of you read my dime novels, now all of you want an autograph, eh? I know I said I'd fight to my last bullet, but I would much rather get more ammo and keep fighting.
Double points.
They are stronger than they look. And that, bestias, is why you always count your bullets. And not that you use guns, gracias a Dios. The love of the crowd is like a rash. It comes and it goes.
A contender calls the champion of Daru.
Someone new has entered the fight. He looks like he wants a hug.
I have monster.
The crowd shows favor.
The champion of Danu is slain.
I know that I am under the influence of powerful exotic drugs, but this event feels too real. A little too spectacular. It feels like my birthday.
Contender calls the champions of Ra!
I do not like how big that one is. Don't like his axes either. His hat, on the other hand, is a bit meaty. Nearly out of ammo. Not to worry. Phantasma will take care of me. We have a special bond. I think.
The champions of Ra are slain!
While I would literally kill for a warm bath, I do not think that this is the place. Ugh, so unsanitary.
A contender calls the champions of Zeus!
I'm starting to miss my leather coat. I guess this is a thumbs down for you.
The champions of Zeus are slain!
Now that is a sensational funeral idea. set ablaze with sword in hand and pushed out to join the sea.
A contender was the champion of Odin!
I prefer dogs to cats, especially after today.
The champion of Odin is slain!
Dios mío, this priest is quite the butcher. No, he will not place my head on the block. No gracias. Diego Necali is no piece of meat. Something tells me this is important. I should show this to Scarlet. If I run out of bullets, perhaps I should pick up a spear. Nope, today is a bullets kind of day. Been surrounded before, but jumping out the window in my underwear is not an option this time. I have no patience for biters or scratchers.
Max ammo.
Ammo. Amor. Is it coincidence that they sound so much alike? The symbols in the flames must protect the creatures. Who wants to make a bet, eh? Yes, my jumping, stabbing amigo. Come to Diego and end your pain. I may be a people person, but this is getting ridiculous.
Insta-kill.
If I run out of ammo and die, won't I just wake back up in that cave? Hijo de tu madre! You scratch like a rabid chihuahua! Yes, yes, everyone wants a piece of Diego. Now that is a lot of gold. I'm sure no one will notice if a little goes missing. Plenty of things to kill, thousands of adoring fans chanting my name. This place just gets me.
They must not survive!
Let's show the crowd a good time, shall we? My lady friend Griselda used to call me Tiger. Now she calls me Goat. Story of my life. 9 lives, eh? I do not...
Max ammo.
Meet again, destroyer! Tell me, and be honest, did one of you fart? That reminds me. Scarlet, are you paying us? Or is this strictly keep what you take? I have seen this look before. In the children's eyes at my nephew's birthday. Me, tayo piñata.
Bonus points.
I will take it. Hey, but do not think for a minute that I can be bought. Do not look at me like that. I gave you the first shot. I once fought a jaguar back in Mexico. They were sacred to the Aztecs. Keep your distance, chupacarnes. This will not end well for you. My friends, now is your chance. You can tell everyone you saved the world's greatest spy. How could I deprive the crowd of their favorite Mexican gladiator? Gato muerto. Next! If anyone wants to give me a hand here, I would not object. It does not matter what year this is. The legend of Diego Necali is timeless!
Bonus points!
Even the forces of darkness smile upon Diego. Hey, what can I say? whole setup is so elaborate. All we wanted was to open a door. Now we've inhaled hallucinogens, gone back in time, fighting gladiators. Not complaining, just confused. Come on, Diego, concentrate. I will need more money to grease these wheels. Tiger skin rock. It's no better than these beasts, I assure you. I believe you're looking for my friend Stanto. He loves group hugs. Come on, pendejos. The crowd demands blood, and I aim to feed.
Only the worthy endure.
Sounds ominous. I like it. Ven acá, carnicero! I am the finest piece of beefcake you will ever try to butcher! You fought well, senor. You are no Diego. During the revolution, we melted down cooking pots, silverware, even bedpans to make bullets. All should be thoroughly cleaned beforehand. Monsters seem drawn to me. And really, who can blame them? And I thought I was hot-blooded. I know how we can get these tigers to leave us alone. What we need is a giant saucer of milk. There! Finally earned your strength.
Insta-kill.
Some things should be taken slow. Killing... I would never see one of those devils again! Just kidding. I actually prayed for a decent breakfast, but we people You look hurt, monstro! Did Diego hit a nerve? I give one of these monsters a little loose change. Look what happens! Oh, my heart! She's so full. Gracias, mis amigos. Gracias. place has not yet gone up in flames.
Break their bones!
Perhaps now we get a real challenge, eh? How many of these gladiators are there? Was this a gladiator school? No, please, no applause. Just throw insta-kills.
Max ammo. Fire sale.
Electric zombies? How thoroughly modern. Dios. Smell. Was that you? When I was a boy, I wanted to be a lion tamer. I take it all back now. Strange how those cousins keep their distance, watching us. I have seen that look before. Sister Josefa, is that you? Looks like it's time for the Mexican axe dance again. Ah, I see. The blue ones give strength to the others. See their eyes?
Bonus points.
I liberate these points in the name of La Revolucion. The battle continues, but now with fewer flying axes.
Power.
Well, you want a fight? You just got one. I give one of these monsters a little loose change. Look what happens. My lady friend Griselda used to call me Tiger. Now she calls me a dog. Story of my life. I wonder, do they all start out as little chupacabras and then get promoted? Was this armored cabron just a screamer last week? Tell me, be honest. Did one of you fart? Your trainer is here. I'd like to have a word. Once more, I got distracted and forgot to count my bullets. I too would seek a quick death if I had a face like yours.
Only the worthy endure.
Here I am, forces of darkness. Impress me!
Fire sale.
Well, fire sale? Oh, firearms sale. So that is where it comes from. Ah, another butcher comes to trim Diego's perfect hair. I think not. I once made love on a tiger skin rock. These beasts, I assure you.
Max ammo.
I have seen a weapon called a boomerang. It flies much like your axe. Not that it would save you from me. Every time we fight that thing, I just imagine it in high heels and... it still scares the crap out of me. Vendetta! It is a good motivator, eh? So there is a chink in your armor! Life is precious, Diego. Now get up and take it from your enemy. Okay. As my friend Pancho Villa likes to say, Caca, just got monstrous. I once fought a jaguar back in Mexico. You should have stopped hunting. Shoot the lumps on his back! Vamos! I know how we can get these tigers to leave us alone. All we need is a giant saucer of milk. Another jumping beam! There is only so much Diego to go around. Nerves of steel beats blind rage every time. Another butcher comes to trim Diego's perfect hair. I think not. If anyone wants to give me a hand here, I would not object. Do not be shy, Muertos. Diego has something for you. I once tracked an enemy through 10 miles of Mexico City sewer. Smelled better than this. Thanks to yourself, Cuco.
Bonus points.
Muchas gracias, cucarachas. Again, destroyer! Hey, that was a mistake. When I was a boy, I wanted to be a lion tamer. I take it all back now. Don't tell me.